TS4. Right now we're in the L200 here. So right now I want to install a new steering wheel. What's now coming here, I want to install it. I don't know when I'll get the time to actually do it, but this is the ordinary one here. As you can see, at some of the vehicle it had this type of material and stuff there, airbag and stuff under this. We want to upgrade to the newer one. Yes, I was a pause for a bit there. So let's get into the unboxing of it here. I already did open up the box and check it out earlier on, and it come with real bubble wrap and thing there, so it was nice and secure inside here. And this is the new one here. So the new one actually come with the controls and stuff here for it. Voice and call and stuff you can answer on this one there. Connections and stuff here. Cancel some other buttons and thing here. So this one didn't come with majority of these here. So I had to try to hook it up to the to my deck. So this one is the, you can see it properly there. Yeah, so this one is the 9.7 inch one that I installed there on this one. So let me see how the different side here will be looking. Yeah, so the material kind of the same there, because I will need to put back this this part with the horn and thing underneath there. It didn't come with that part, so it's just to put back the airbag and that's under there. This one does come with the accessories and stuff going on here. Nice shiny black with the chrome finish here, down here, and on the side stuff there. This side, this side typical. Yeah, so I still am gonna upgrade the steering wheel here. And this one had more shiny parts in the inside compared to this one. You can really see this one, but this one does the same thing going straight around. The same thing like you're seeing here, going straight around. And let me see, this one actually come with the little lumps here with the red stitching and thing. This one don't have anything there, no fancy stitching or anything like that on this one. So this one has some red stitching going straight around, the little lumps there, so when you rest your hand you could fit in and have a proper grip on that one. Yeah, I don't really have nothing much more there to talk about on this. It's right away. Take down the light a little bit. Let me see how it lighten up here. So there is it lighten up, just as the dash there. Says the stereo there, and the mode is right here. So we could focus there, you could press the mode, you could see it go into video. And we press it again, we could go to phone and so forth. So as I continue pressing it, it continues switching. And I didn't have to do anything because this deck come exactly for this this vehicle, so everything was already done jacked in the original position, so it's no wiring or anything like that. So music playing, but because of copyright, and the volume is up and down here, so I'll just playing it on one. I don't want to go up too much because the music will come on, but as you can see it going on, and it could carry down. We could skip track, so we could press next, go to the next song, press next again, go to the next song. So the next here working. Phone, did I try the phone? Let me see, phone. Yeah, so it's switching to phone. It does have a voice button there. Let me press it and see. Open YouTube. Will it do it? Yeah, so as you can see there, we had YouTube open there, so everything seemed to be working. This side, cancel some kind of speed thing there, and this up and down. I don't think my vehicle come with that, so, and well, this speed thing here, not doing anything. So I don't know if that's for the automatic vehicles or what, for cruise control and them kind of thing on that side there. But I just want to have the controls here. When I have my hand on the steering wheel, I could just don't want to stretch my hand off the wheel. I could just leave it right here and do all the controls and stuff there. So as you can see, voice working, call, could answer, hang up, volume, tracks, and the mode. You could switch through between anything you need there. Yeah, so that's it. TS4 out.